Are you ready to step into the life of luxury you've always dreamed of? The Rich Bitch VIP experience is your ticket to feeling, being, and living like the wealthy, starting now. This isn't about spending millions. It's about embodying the energy of abundance, stepping into the mindset of wealth, and learning how to manifest it through the law of assumption. Led by your coach, Angela Teresa Ejic. You'll spend a full day living the lifestyle of the rich without emptying your wallet. This day is designed to help you feel rich, confident, and unstoppable, whether you're just starting your journey or leveling up your mindset. So, are you ready to claim your rich bitch energy? Spots are limited to 9 people for an intimate, luxurious experience. Women, men, and anyone ready to manifest their wealth are welcome. Because being rich isn't just about money. It's a state of mind.